guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we are making a milkshake. So if you're ready for a dessert, or a healthy dessert I should say, this will be a video for you. So to start, I'm going to put 8 ounces of our house-made almond milk into my blender, followed by 2 frozen bananas, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and you can omit this if you don't like cinnamon, but I think it adds a nice touch. 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of maple, and if you prefer, you can do this with 2 dates instead of maple. Either one will work. And last but not least, 1 tablespoon of sunbutter. This is a sunflower seed butter. You can also sub this for almond butter, cashew butter, anything like that. It's just going to help give it a really rich, creamy texture. Now we're going to blend on high. Now I'm going to pour this into my glass, and I have a glass straw, and voila, there you go. Here is a cacao milkshake for a healthy nighttime treat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the milkshake. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I will see you next time.